Hello friends, welcome to GIS. Today we are going to learn digitization in Google Earth and how to convert KML to layer. First, open Google Earth. Let me tell you, Nepal is divided into two in projection system. From west side of Narayani river it is 44 hour, and all the places east to the Narayani river is 45 hour. So you have to search, you can search any place you like. Here I am searching for Foksundo Lake. There are many tools, you can explore them. Okay, let's search Foksundo Lake. Now this is the view of Foksundo Lake. You can zoom in or zoom out. And this is the ground level view. And if you are a beginner or just opening Google Earth, then first go to tool and then options and select decimal degree or UTM. You can select one of them. Now for adding place, go to add place mark and place the pin in the center, and now you can give the name. You can see in the zone there is 44 hour as it lies to the west side from Narayani river. You can see easting, northing. Also you can change the color. Now the place is saved. Now go to add path. This tool helps to show all the paths around the place. I'm just doing for an example. You can show path between two different places. all the places you've saved, they are saved on the left side here. Now select the polygon, and by clicking on the edges surround the whole lake. You can do it filled plus outlined, or just do it outlined. Do it precisely. Click, click, click. And while saving this polygon, don't use space in the name, because we have to use this in GIS, and GIS can't read space. Instead of space, you can use underscore. And here, like this. You can see I have not done it nicely, and you can see the area and perimeter too. Thus you can know the area of any place. As this is saved, now when you open Google Earth, now you can just click on this saved places and it comes quickly. Now for saving the image, go to file and then save. Now go to save image. Type the name. You can also add description, and you can edit the legend. Once you've done editing, then you can go to save image. You can see it is save as type JPEG, that is image. And again, don't use space. Our image is saved. See, thus you can save any image of any place you want to. Now from this clock sign you can see the same place how it looked in past. This shows the difference of this place in past and present. And now for taking this polygon to GIS, right click on the polygon that we just saved and go to save place as. And save as KMZ. Don't use space. KMZ and KML are similar. Now our work in Google Earth is done, and now open ArcMap. If you are new in ArcMap, then at first go to Customize, then extensions, this thing takes so much time. And click and tick all the options and then close. Now for converting KML to layer, go to the search button and type KML to layer. After you click on that, a box will appear. Now in input KML file, place the KMZ file that we saved from Google Earth. Right click and go to zoom to layer. Thank you so much.